Okay, good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yesterday's class, we are discussing with, can you name the topic we are discussing? What's, with which
De
topic?
Morgan's law.
Number of elements in A union B, isn't it? Okay, write the heading. Okay, write the heading. Important results on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yesterday if A and B are
If A and B are, can you repeat it? It's unmute and speak.
if A and B are disjoint,
Ah.
that you told you will complete today. I couldn't
Yes,
complete
yes,
it.
that's what I'm going to repeat it again. Okay, you can go through that one again. Write down some important results on number of sets. Important results on number of sets. Okay, so what is the first formula we have learned? N of A union B is equal to. Okay, the proof and all is not needed. Only the formula you have to learn. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Number of elements in A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. If A and B are two finite sets, then number of elements in the union will be same as N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. And what is the second one we discussed? If A and B are disjoint. What is the meaning of disjoint? Disjoint sets.
No common elements.
Very good. No common elements. There is no common element here. So if A and B are disjoint sets, then we know that A intersection B is 5, empty set. So what will be the number of elements in A intersection B? In that case, it will be 0. It is 0. So in that case, the same formula here, A intersection B will become 0. So the formula will be N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B. Okay, if A and B are disjoint sets, then N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B. Okay, this is the case when we are using two sets. Okay, if A and B are two finite sets, then N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This one, we can extend it to any number of sets. Okay, so now let us learn the formula for 3 sets also. So copied all this formula. Okay. Okay, suppose A, B, C are finite sets. We are taking 3 sets. If A, B, C are 3 finite sets, then N of A union B union C is, listen, for 3 sets. Okay, this is same as N of A plus N of B plus N of C. Okay, listen, minus, okay, A union, B union, C. All the 3 sets we are going to take union. But it is same as N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B. Which all the elements common to A and B, that one we have to subtract. Minus N of B intersection C. Okay, move in a cyclic order. A, B, B, C. The next is N of A intersection C. It's not over. One more term is there. Plus 1 set we added. 2 if you take 2 sets, we are subtracting N of A intersection B intersection C. What's the formula? N of A plus N of B plus N of C. minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus, okay, here it is plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, now same thing you can apply for an x, y, z. Sania, what is n of x union y union z?
N of x
N of x
plus n of y
plus n of y
plus n of z
plus n of z
minus
minus
n of A intersection x intersection y
yes
minus n of y intersection z minus n of x intersection z
yes, correct.
plus
Yes.
n of x intersection y intersection z.
N of x intersection y intersection z. Is it okay? So this is for 3 sets. Like this, we can extend it for any number of sets. Okay? We can extend it to 4 sets, 5 sets and all that we will be learning in higher classes. For the time being, we are using up to 2 and 3. The same formula we'll be using in the topic probability. In probability also, we use the same formula. So if there are 2 sets, n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. And if there are 3 sets, n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus, okay, here you keep it in mind, okay, here it is plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Okay. So now let us use this formula and find out, okay, and solve some questions based on this one. Okay, children. Can you read the question? Can you say this one? Is it okay? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question. I think that n of B is not okay. Now read the question here. If A and B are 2 sets such that n of A is equal to 28, n of A union B is equal to 50, n of B is equal to 32. Find n of A intersection B. You have to find n of A intersection B. Find n of A intersection B. So now can you give the formula? How many sets are here, Shivani?
1, 2.
2. Okay. So can you give the formula here? For the 2 sets A and B, what is the formula? What is the formula we have?
A intersection
A.
B
A union B
is equal to
is equal to yes,
N.
correct, Shubham.
N in bracket A
N of A. Okay,
N
N
of
of A
minus
plus
N of B.
yes
Then
minus
minus N of A union B.
intersection. Okay, this
Section B.
symbol N means intersection. Keep it in mind. Okay, inverted N means intersection. If you use this U symbol, it is union. Okay, good, Shubha. Now apply what are the values given. You apply it there. What is N of A union B? It is given as 50,
50.
is equal to N of
28
A
plus
28 plus
32
32.
minus
This one we don't
50.
know, isn't it? This is what we want to calculate. So I will write it as such. So that is 50 is equal to, now what is 28 plus 32?
60. 60.
T, yes, minus n of A intersection B. So you take negative n of A intersection B to other side, so it will become positive.
Positive.
Same as 60 minus 50. What is the answer, Emmanuel?
10.
10.
10. Is it okay? We are given the data. We are given with the data and we are asked to find the number of elements in common to both A and B. Okay, we are given with the elements common. Okay, common to A and B. Intersection means and. Union means or. Either in A or in B. Okay. Shall we do the next one? Gauri, is it okay? Is it okay? How we are applying this, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's do with the next one. Write the next one. Okay. Okay, children. Read the next one. Punya.
If n of u is 700,
Ah,
n of A is 200,
yes.
n of B is 300,
Ah,
n of A intersection B is 100,
ah.
find n of A dash intersection B dash.
A dash intersection B dash. Okay. A dash intersection B dash. Yesterday we learned something related to this. What is A dash intersection B dash? Can you recall it?
A
A union B the whole dash.
Very good. A
A
dash
union B whole.
intersection B dash is same as A union B the whole dash. Very good. What is the name of this law?
De Morgan's law.
De
De
Morgan.
Morgan's law. We call this as De Morgan's law. A dash intersection B dash is same as A union B the whole dash. See, in some reference books, instead of dash, they will use this notation. A bar intersection B bar. Instead of dash, they will use bar, which is same as A union B the whole bar. This one also you should get familiar. Instead of dash, they will use bar. Okay. Now look at this one. Universal set contains 700 elements. A contains 200 elements. B contains 300. N of A intersection B is given. We want to find N of A dash intersection B dash. We know that N of A dash intersection B dash is same as N of A union B the whole dash. What does it mean? Listen, let's draw the Venn diagram and find out. What is A union B? Suppose this is the set A and this is the set B. This is A union B, isn't it? The shaded part represents A union B. So it will be A union B the whole dash
Outside the circle.
outside the set. That means it is present in universal set, isn't it? This rectangle represents the universal set. So A union B the whole dash is same as N of U minus N of A union B. From the universal set, you subtract those elements which are common in A and B. N of U minus N of A union B. So the first step is you have to find what is N of A union B. What is N of A union B? N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Apply all the values here. What is N of A? Substitute the value. N of B, N of C. A, B and C, substitute the values. N of A is given as 200 plus N of B 300 minus, so what is it? Anila, what is the answer? It is
400.
400. 500 minus 100, which is 400. So N of A union B is 400. So what will be N of A dash union B, sorry, not union, intersection. Intersection B dash. So n of A dash intersection B dash is n of U minus n of A union B, which is same as, what is the value of n of U? Apply that.
700.
Yes.
700
700
minus
minus
400.
400. So which is same as
300.
300. This 300. Is it okay? Is it clear? This is how we are applying that formula. On the data given, we are applying the formula. N of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Here we are using the De Morgan's law also. A dash intersection B dash is n of A union B the whole dash. Elements which are not in the union, which is same as n of U minus n of A union B. Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Rin, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's do the next one. Okay, read the question. Ashwin, read this question.
In a group of 800 people, 550 can speak Hindi and 450 can speak English. Find how many can speak both.
Both. Okay. In a group of 800 people, 550 can speak Hindi, 450 can speak English. Find how many can speak both. Till the previous question, the data were given. N of A, N of B is given in the data. Here it's a word problem. We should convert this. Okay. So suppose I denote number of people who speak Hindi as H. So number of people who speak Hindi, I'm denoting it as H. It is 550. And English, I'm denoting this as E. N of E is 450. Okay, let H denote the number of people speaking Hindi and E denote number of people who speak English. What is the next one given here? There are total 800 people. Find how many can speak both. Both means what we have to find here. Is it union or intersection? Both.
Intersection.
It is intersection. Okay. Both should happen means it is intersection. We want to find H intersection E is question mark. So what is this 800? It is
Union.
union. Total number of people is 800. Now can you write the formula and calculate this one? Okay. Tomlin, give the formula, Tomlin.
N of
Instead of A and B, use the alphabets H and E. So N of H union E is equal to, see, unmute and tell. Okay, I'm not able to hear.
N of H
Yes.
plus N of E
Yes, good.
minus N of H intersection E.
H intersection E. Apply all the values and find out what is N of H intersection E. Okay. Apply all these values and find out what is N of H intersection E. Okay. Aryan, you have to give the answer. Okay, calculate, substitute the values, calculate and give the answer. What is N of H union E?
800.
800. Who is answering that one? Aryan, give the answer, Aryan. Okay, substitute
200
it.
can,
Huh?
200 can speak both.
200. Okay. 200 and see, it's raining here. I'm not able to hear sound. Just 550 plus 450 minus n of h intersection E, we don't know. So this is what we want to calculate. So 800 is equal to, so this is
1000.
okay. So final answer is
200.
200.
Right.
Yes, correct. Correct, Aryan. It's 200. Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next one. Okay. Can you read the question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it, convert it. Okay, you convert it and then you give the, okay, you can use your own notations. Use A, B, or any, okay, you can use A, B, or H, J, any alphabet you can use. But for set, you should use capitals. That is the thing you have to remember. For representing the set, we have to use capital letters. Any alphabet you can use. Okay, you give your notation. You give your alphabets.
I
Diya?
cannot see question.
Huh?
Ma'am, 180 were listed to drink.
180 were listed to drink Limca. Okay, now is it okay? Can you read it?
Yes.
In a survey of 700 students in a college, 180 were listed to drink Limca, 275 as drinking Pepsi, and 95 were listed to drink both. Find how many were drinking neither Limca nor Pepsi. Neither Limca nor Pepsi. What does it mean? Neither Limca nor Pepsi?
No Limca, no Pepsi.
Yes, both the things they will not drink. Okay. So tell me, apply it, convert that into notation form, and tell me which all the alphabets you are going to use. Diya.
L for Limca.
Diya will be answering. Diya. Diya, can you hear me? No, okay. Now, Nia, tell me, Nia. Nia, Anas.
L.
L. Okay. N of L is? Okay, Limca is?
700. 180.
180. Okay, then.
N of P. 275.
275. Then. Correct? Up to this, is it correct? Okay, you are using the alphabet L and P.
N of H intersection P.
Yes?
700.
Read the question again and check it. In a survey of 700 students in a college.
95.
Yes. It is?
95.
95. Okay, read the question again. In a survey of 700 students in a college, 180 were drinking Limca, 275 they will drink Pepsi, and 95 were drinking, okay, they were listed to drink both. Both means what is the symbol we are using here? Intersection. Find how many were drinking neither Limca nor Pepsi. So, what we have to find here? What we have to find? Now, Rin, what we have to find here?
Total number of people who drink something.
So first you have to find, okay, correct, you have to find who are drinking something, okay. And what we have to calculate here first? Neither Limca nor Pepsi. That means not. Negation. Negation means, which is the symbol we are using here? It is
Difference.
complement. L dash. Okay. Those who are not drinking both Pepsi and, okay, not means complement. A dash. What does it? A dash mean? What is the notation A dash?
Everything
Set of
other
all
than A.
X belongs to U and which does not belongs to A dash.
A.
A complement, okay, which are not in A. So here, not drinking Limca and not drinking Pepsi. So L dash intersection P dash. Again, here we have to use De Morgan's law. Apply De Morgan's law. So N of L dash intersection P dash, which will be same as if you apply De Morgan's law, what you will get?
N of L union P whole dash.
L of N union P the whole
Whole
dash,
dash.
which is same as N of universal set minus N of L union P. Isn't it? L union P the whole dash is same as universal set. From the universal set, from the total set, those who are drinking, we have to subtract. So first step, you find out what is N of L union P. Okay, find out what is N of L union P. What is N of L union P? N of L union P is? Alvin, give the formula, Alvin. N of L union P is? Alvin. Alvin, can you hear me, Alvin? Okay, Karthik, give the formula, Karthik.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
What formula to find N of L union P?
L union.
Mm.
275 plus 180.
Okay, I don't want the final answer. Give the formula. You can write the steps and proceed. See, for the exam, writing the steps is important. Okay, you will be calculating this easily, but the steps are important.
Ma'am, N of L plus N of P.
Yes, N of L plus N of P minus N of L intersection P. Okay, so now apply the values here. N of L plus N of P minus L of N intersection P. Tell me, Karthik, calculate it and give the answer now. 180 plus 275 minus 95. (180 plus 275 minus 95). Gayatri, what is N of L union P?
Ma'am, 360.
330.
360 or 330?
330.
Gayatri, what is the answer you got?
360.
360.
What? 180?
360.
Huh?
360.
360. Okay, it's not 330. Do the calculation correct. Okay. 180 plus 275. From there you subtract 95. So you'll get 360. But our aim is to find L dash intersection P dash. Therefore, what will be L of L dash intersection P dash? Therefore, N of L dash intersection P dash is from the universal set we have to subtract. So universal set, what is N of U?
700.
What is N of U? Read the question and find out what will be the N of U here. One data we have not yet used.
700.
700. Okay, it is 700. That is the number of elements in the universal set. So 700 minus 360. That is 700
340.
minus, it is
340.
340.
340.
Okay, correct. It's correct. Now is it okay, children? Okay, how to convert whenever we are given a word problem, you can give your word notation, apply the formula. Okay, what's the formula to find n of A union B? Atul KK?
N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B.
Minus n of A intersection B. Suppose A and B are disjoint. If A and B are disjoint, Aditya Satyan, what is n of A union B? Aditya Satyan. If A and B are disjoint, in that case, what is n of A union B? N of A union B is?
N of A plus
A
N of B.
plus N of
Yes,
B.
n of A plus n of B. If A and B are disjoint, there is nothing in common. So in that case, it is same as n of A plus n of B. Michael. N of A union B union C. N of A union B union C with the 3 sets. Michael. Give the formula, Michael. Michael Jacob.
Not sure, ma'am.
Not studied. Okay, now you go through the notes and read the formula. Tomorrow be ready for answering it. Okay, now go through the notes and read the formula. What is n of A union B union C?
N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C.
Okay. Okay. So we learn how to apply this formula. Okay. Okay. Next question. Okay. Write down this question. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the 2 games. Okay, they like to play at least one of the 2 games. How many students likes to play both the games, both cricket and how many like to play both cricket and football?
5.
5. Okay, so see, you give the notations and find out. You use the note. Okay, that steps are important. Do it. What are the notations you can use here? You can give your okay. You can give the alphabet. Any alphabet you can use, but use capital letters. That is the thing you have to keep it in mind. Set we denote it by using capitals. So what
N
is
of C.
what is an
Forget.
N of C is
24.
24.
N of F. 16.
16.
N of U is 35.
N of
U.
C union F is 35. What we have to find? You have to calculate
C intersection.
C intersection F. Okay, apply the formula and complete this one. Will you be able to do this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, children, any doubt in this one? Is it clear? Okay. So tomorrow by evening, you send the activity. Okay, one activity I gave, you post it. Okay, thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.